Are we supposed to like shake it up? Now like every time.
It's been shaken up.
No, but like when it goes around for 6 seconds.
What if I chug it?
Now it's like now you get yourself.
Whoever explodes it has to fucking drink it.
Aaron, let me smash it on your head.
Hold up,
here it comes.
That shit sucks.
Shit. This is fucking brutal. Don't spray the fucking camera.
Alright.
It's
spraying, I think. Man, it's like 3, man.
Yeah.
Hard. That's what she said.
No, wait, finish it on your head. Finish it on your face. Yes! Yes!
I gotta destroy it.
I gotta destroy it.
I will destroy it.
Yes! Oh shit! That's amazing. That is amazing.